To start this recipe, we're going to crack 2 eggs into a small bowl. Next, we're going to season it with some salt and pepper. As you can see, I didn't have a lot of black pepper, but it was enough for this recipe. Now we're going to take out our medium-sized pan and set that heat to low. We're also going to drizzle a little bit of oil and wait for it to heat up a little. Now we're going to take out our tortillas, and I'm using wheat, but you can use any type of tortilla. And you're going to lay 1 tortilla on the pan. Now we're going to take a decent amount of our whisked eggs and spread it around on the tortilla. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese, and I use mozzarella just because it works well, but the best one is probably the Mexican cheese. It has cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese in it, so that's probably the best one for this recipe, but any other cheeses work just fine too. Lastly, we cover and cook on low until you can see the cheese starting to melt a little bit, and then you can fold it and flip it. Flip it one more time just so each side has a crispy golden brown look, and put it on your plate. As our side, we're going to wash some fruits, and I'm using blueberries, strawberries, and cherries. Now soak it in water and dry it out. You can always make a little design on your plate to make your fruit look a little nicer, but it doesn't really matter. Serve this meal with any drink. You can use milk, apple juice, orange juice, etc. You can also top it off with some jalapenos or hot sauce. If you don't want anything spicy, try ketchup. Amased ganalo. Thank you for watching this video today. If you guys liked it, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more recipes. Also, make sure to turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I make a new video. For my house update, we have bought a few decorations here and there, and I will show you guys in another video. Bye!